Feeling spooky these days? Then let's dive face first into some epic Halloween hacks! What's this? Halloween party? Is it really Halloween time already? Oh, I don't even have a costume. Ugh. Ah! Oh, you definitely won't forget Halloween now. Ugh. As if things could get any worse. I barely got 2 bites in. It's kinda brilliant, actually. For this costume, use a white makeup pencil and draw like this. With a fun color body paint, color in where you just drew. Careful! Now dab some setting powder. Where you painted? Next, go over your lines with brown. Take white makeup and go along the lines again. Then outline your lid. Next, it's time for the sprinkles. Stick them on with tweezers. The more randomly placed, the better. Nice! Now take a sugar cone and place it on your head. The hair will help it stay. Bobby pins can secure things. It's ice cream personified! Look who's ready for the party!
Oh, you look great!
The idea just came to my head. Want to make a splash this Halloween? Use black body paint to fill in. That shape around your lips. Now, for the glue mixture. Pour some Elmer's glue into a bowl. Then add a bit of flour. Tear up pieces of toilet paper. Now mix it all together. Apply it all around the bottom of your face. The thick texture makes all the difference. Have a fake nail lying around? Cut it to look like this. Get some paint handy. And use a sponge. To gently color the nail. See how they blend together? Perfect! Now it's time to turn them into teeth. They stick right underneath the glue. Now use foundation to blend things in a bit better. Can't forget to make some lips. Yep, all the way around. Then dab your cheeks with fake blood on a sponge. You can never have enough blood, right? And just like that, you're a surgeon gone wrong. Chilling. Check out this awesome party! Woohoo! Wow! His costume is awesome! I could use a doctor's visit. I'm so going over there! Hey there! Great costume! That's only half of it. You scared of a few teeth? Ah! Scaredy cat. The combo is sure going well. Hey guys! We're kinda in the middle here. Ugh. What's their problem? Excuse me? Oh. So touchy. Ah. Bet they'd like my lightsaber. Watch out for the Force, people! Or not. Why won't anyone talk to me? Hey, I know! Rip off a piece of food mastic. And roll it into a little ball. Then put it in an ice cube tray. Keep going till it's full. Set it aside. And get some gelatin. Pour in some water. And do it again with a second bowl. Drop the food coloring in. And stir things up. And into the microwave they go. Then set it for 1 minute. Now on to the next step. Remember the ice tray? Drizzle a few drops of the blue. Yep, every single one. Now, take the white gelatin. And pour it in generously. Cover it and pop it into the freezer.
They should look like this when done. See? Want to be a hit at the party? Oh, eyeball anyone?
Looks like a good idea to me.
Oops. My eye fell out again. It hurts.
It fell in your drink, bro! I'm gonna be sick!
Ugh. There. Just kidding.
Who would do a thing like that? I know it's Halloween, but gross! For this look, draw this on your chest. For this mixture, grab a bowl. And some Elmer's glue. Fill it up a bit. Then add a little flour. Add some paper towel pieces. And mix it all together. Use a stick to spread it around like this. Then use a brush to add foundation. The key is to blend it into your skin. Use red body paint to color in this section of your chest. Make sure the coat is thick enough. With some brown makeup, add little marks like this. Then blend them in a bit. Then take black and put it on your neck like this. Keep going all the way up. Don't forget behind the ears. See this little guy? Stick it here. And add some fake blood to the mix. Let it drip along the border like so. Put some on this piece too. That looks super creepy, right?
Oh gosh, I didn't know! This movie was gonna be so scary! What's behind the closet door? Oh man, I'm definitely gonna die! Huh? What was that?
Help me!
Ready?
Please!
Whoa!
Hey! That went better than I thought!
Ugh. Could history be any more boring? Saved by the Bell!
Catch ya on the flip!
Mandy, wait! You sat in gum!
Seriously? That's so gross! How could gum turn on me like that? Huh. Actually, I have a brilliant idea!
What?
Yeah! Let's turn this situation around. Take off the back. And stick it to the bottom of the dress. Perfect! Now take a smaller piece and cut it. To make the letter B. Peel off the back and stick it on. Now spell out bubblegum. What's gum without bubbles? Stick a few up here. And add some to the bottom, too. Ready to chew on this look? It's sure to turn some heads.
Wow!
So, Alex, what do you think?
You're bubblicious, alright. Unbelievable.
Happy Halloween! Think you'll use any of these hacks this Halloween? We still can't get over that killer surgeon costume. Share this video with your friends to give them some spooky inspiration. Have you watched these yet? Get on it and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on the fun!